Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Battlefield 2042 unable to connect to the EA server that is happening for many users and how we can fix this. For me, I'm having the game on on the Steam. I don't have the game on EA app, but even though you can try this step for both the platforms. The first one is all about whenever you are getting the error, it says unable to connect to the EA server, you have to click on retry, spam click on the retry again and again, and you can check. For some reasons it might work in some cases. If not, let's move to the step one by one. First one, go over here. Let me close this. Search for the settings, click on the settings. Now from here directly navigate to the network and internet. From here you have to turn on the mobile hotspot. Then try, instead of the Wi-Fi, you have to try connecting your computer to the mobile hotspot. Then you have to go back to the Steam or EA app, whatever it is, launch the game, and you can check. That might work in some cases. This did work, and for many users you can try this out. After you signed into the game and you're fine with the game, you can just turn off the mobile hotspot. You can continue with the Wi-Fi and you can check. Next one, we have to go over here, search for the run command, type ncpa.cpl and go for OK. Now this time we have to go to the Wi-Fi, right click and go to the properties. Now from here you have to uncheck Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6 and go to the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Now go to the properties. Now go to the use the following DNS server address. Now the preferred DNS server should be 8888 and the alternative DNS server should be 884 and 4. Now go for OK, and once every value is being given, we can close this and you can check. Now go over here, search for the CMD and click on run as administrator and go for yes. And this time we need to type config, put a space / and this time we have to type display DNS and press enter. This will take a little bit of time, and once this particular process is completely done on a system, you need to type another command. So just wait for this to get completely done. Once it's successfully done, you have to type another one, that is config, put a space / flush DNS and press enter. Once done, you have to close this and you have to check. That might work. So these are the steps, and most probably that's going to help you guys out, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.